Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the door lock key cylinder assembly on this 2010 Toyota Tundra. Use a trim tool to remove this cover or plug. There is a T30 Torx head bolt inside that we gotta unscrew. Now it won't come out completely, it's kind of a captive bolt, but we need to unscrew it or unbolt it all the way until it can't unbolt anymore. And now we can get the door lock cylinder out together with this bezel cover. And there we go. And to get the assembly out of this bezel or trim, you have a little clip right here that you've got to unclip and pop this cover off like that. And there's a little hook on this side. So that's how it comes apart. To reinstall, you would line up this hook right here and then push it over until it clicks like that. When reinstalling the door lock cylinder, just make sure that this piece here with the X on it lines up with a hole on the inside. So don't, install it in a downward fashion like this, because it won't engage and you won't be able to unlock the door. Retighten the T30 Torx bolt. Tighten to 35 inch-pounds. And install the cover. And there you go. The job is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Tundra maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.